Imagine stepping into a space where the world slows down. A small, dreamy garden designed just for you. It doesn't need to be big to feel magical. In fact, the smallest gardens often hold the most charm. Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where inspiration meets beautiful living. A dreamy garden begins with intention. Every corner matters. Soft greenery, delicate flowers, and natural textures come together to create a peaceful escape right outside your door. Even a tiny space can feel like a hidden paradise when it's thoughtfully designed. Layering is key. Mix different heights, low plants, medium shrubs, and a few taller elements to give your garden depth and life. Add winding pathways or stepping stones to create a sense of journey, even in a compact area. It's not just a garden, it's an experience. Lighting transforms everything. As the sun sets, warm fairy lights or subtle lanterns can turn your garden into a glowing retreat. Shadows dance, leaves shimmer, and suddenly your small space feels enchanting and alive. Textures bring warmth and personality. Think wooden benches, stone accents, soft cushions, or even a cozy swing. These details invite you to sit, relax, and truly enjoy the beauty around you. Water elements, even the smallest ones, can add a calming touch. The gentle sound of trickling water creates a peaceful atmosphere that soothes the mind and lifts the spirit. And don't forget, your garden should reflect you, whether it's colorful blooms, minimalist greenery, or a mix of both. Your personal style is what makes the space truly dreamy. Here at Modern Homes and Gardens, we believe great design isn't about size, it's about feeling. It's about creating a place where you can breathe, unwind, and reconnect with nature. Because sometimes the most beautiful escapes are the ones we build in the smallest spaces.